What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Money Block, and of course back to another Airdrop Fridays, where every Fridays I try to bring you some of the latest airdrops happening in the crypto space. Now, I'm your host as usual, Joseph, and today I got a couple airdrops lined up for you guys. So without further ado, let's just head right into it. Now, the first one up is from Dopamine App. Now, Dopamine is the latest crypto app to launch with a ton of incredible features. Now, they pride themselves with being crypto's first super app, and I believe they live up to that expectation as they are jam-packed with a ton of features, some of which are play to earn, where you can actually play games and earn cryptocurrencies. You have the move to earn, which I think this one was inspired by the step-in app that was created quite a couple of years ago, where you could actually earn cryptocurrencies with every move you take. Yep, you heard that right. So with every step you take, you earn cryptocurrencies. There's NFT tournaments and metaverses you can check out as well. We also have the option of watching live videos, trade assets just as any regular crypto wallet, and manage your NFT collection from one place, with all within the realms of this app. Now, I've downloaded this app yesterday and I've been using it since, and I must say it's very, very gorgeous to look at. I mean, look at all of this. It's very colorful and it's very user friendly. Now, to get started with this one, all you need to do is to download for your device. So you have the option of download it for iOS and also for Android. You can also opt to connect to your wallet, but the best experience lies within these apps right here. Now, Dopamine will be releasing their dope tokens in the near future based on the usage of their app. So the more you use this app, the more dope tokens you'll be earning. There's also the option of earning what are called donuts, and these donuts will actually open up some additional perks and benefits within the app. So you can just download this app for your phone and check it out in your own time. Now, I'll leave a link in the description box below, where if you follow that link, you will actually earn some additional donuts upon registering. And that's it for this one. And the next one up is from Nyan Heroes. Now, what are Nyan Heroes? Well, let's just check them out, shall we? Now, Nyan Heroes is a team-based hero shooter featuring small cats piloting giant mechs. So it's basically a play-to-earn game, and they'll be releasing their early access airdrop. And with it comes the first opportunity to earn what are called NYN or NIN tokens just for playing this game. So if you want to be a part of this early access airdrop, these are the requirements. Join the Meows, follow and jump into their Twitter and Discord chats, and be a part of the daily buzz. You can stay up to date with them by joining their social media, which consists of Telegram, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. And you can opt to pre-register there as well if you're interested. You can also access their beta game if you're a proud owner of one of their NFTs. And that NFT is called the Nyan Heroes or Guardians. And if I've not mentioned it before, this game sits on Solana's network, and you can cop one of these NFTs for around 1.8, roughly 2 Solana, which should be around $170-$80. So owning one of these NFTs would grant you early access to their game and, of course, additional airdrop rewards. Now, you can also opt to participate in some of their events, contests, and challenges if you don't own any of their NFTs. And there's quite a few other tasks that you can do as well on your journey of earning some of those NYN tokens. So I'll leave a link in the description box below, as I've said, to this link here. You can read in your own time and decide if this one is for you. Now, the final airdrop takes us over to Berachain and their incentivized testnet. Now, Berachain is currently gearing up to go live on mainnet pretty soon, but right now we can earn some Berachain tokens by performing certain tasks on their testnet. Now, to get started, of course, first thing you'll need is a compatible EVM wallet. Most wallets are fine, but for this one, I'll be using the MetaMask wallet. Now, the first thing we'll need to do is to add the Berachain network to our MetaMask wallet. So we'll make our way up here and click on Add Network. Now, since Berachain is a relatively new network, we'll have to add it manually. Next up, we'll need to fill in these information. Right, so here's the information needed. So you have the network name, which is Berachain RTO, the RPC URL, which you can see here, the chain ID, which is 80085, and the currency symbol, which is BERA. And of course, optionally, you can add the block explorer URL, which is this here. Once you've entered that, hit the save option. And we've successfully added the Berachain network. We can now switch to Berachain. And there you have it. I am now sitting on Berachain network. Note, before doing any form of transaction, you would first need to fund your account. Now, I've went ahead and requested some funds from the Berachain faucet. So that is what you're seeing here. I have 0.01 BERA tokens in my account. Now, to request funds, all you need to do is to head over to this site here, and that's rto.faucet.berachain.com. Enter your wallet address here, and then complete a few bot prevention tasks, and then you'll be sent BERA testnet tokens to your wallet. Now, once you've gotten your BERA testnet tokens, you now need to head over to their dApps and start interacting with them. Now, the more dApps you interact with, then of course that will increase your chance of getting a higher allocation in the upcoming BERA token airdrops. Now head back over to Berachain faucet and click on Explore. Now, these are all the available dApps that you can now use with your BERA tokens. Your best bet is heading over to BEX and swap some tokens and provide some liquidity. Now, those tokens that you've swapped can be used on these additional dApps that are here. Now, try to interact with as many dApps as possible and try to do this daily as well. And with that, that completes this episode of Airdrop Fridays. Now let me know in the comment section below if you found any value in this video. Also, let me know in the comment section if you'll be participating in any of these airdrops. So with that said, guys, I wish you a productive Friday, and I'll see you in my next one.